on, baby. Come on out. Oh. Do you have him at home? Oh my gosh. Don't go anywhere.
Give me your arm. Your arm.
Oh my God. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Take a picture, Vera. Oh.
Hug it. Hug it.
I won't let him go. Is it a her, a she, or her? Okay. Look, Vera. Let me see, Mom. Hold on.
Kiss.
You're so beautiful. You're so beautiful. Yes, you are. You're so beautiful. Thank you, my Lord, for these beautiful things. Thank you.
Come here. So.
What is going on? So beautiful. Yes. We had to come and see you.